Hey guys, Baylon here. I can't take this seriously anymore. Jeez, it's been a while since I've made a video, I think. I'm probably going to have to go check soon. I don't keep track of things if you guys can't tell. So, what I want to show you today is this ridiculousness. Look! If you put a pixelated bunny hat, or rabbit hat, or whatever, on your Arctic Fox, this happens when you play. It goes through! Like, what? I'm gonna try this on the normal Fox. Oh, my normal Fox. Fox! There you are. Let's see. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, no. Oh. Okay, let's watch that again. It kind of just glitches out right here. Ready? Now. See? That's kind of hilarious. Okay. That is so ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. Wait. Doesn't look too bad. Normally this doesn't look good on almost any animal. Whee! Yeah, that doesn't look bad. Alright. Nice. So, I'm going to go back to this. I'm like changing my animals up left, right, and center by now. Dirt. What the heck is that? I have no clue what that is. Sticky keys, no! No one likes you, sticky keys. One time I accidentally activated that during the FNAF 60 location minigame with my friends. I think that's actually in the video. I'm not 100% sure, but go check out my... Actually, unless you don't like cussing, then you should probably go check out that video to see if it's actually in it, where we get stuck and sticky keys ruins everything. But yeah, I really just want to... Oh, wait, there's one more thing that I want to try with the toucan. There it is. So, when the toucan first came out, I was in this den. Oh my god, it still does that. Look. That's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. Whee! It's so ridiculous. I don't know why, but I absolutely love that. Oh, that's cute. Maybe if we go to the bottom of the screen, which is all the way down here. By the way, guys, if the audio is terrible again, because I am too lazy today. It's 4:26 in the afternoon. I'm not getting up to go get my headphones, cause that would be a waste of my time. Cause I don't really remember where they are. Well, the headphones with the microphone. That is what it is called, a microphone. See, that's cute. So, yeah. I really just want... Why do you have a pattern on? Oh well. I'll fix it later. And whoosh, and whoosh, blah 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 blah. And one more time, and goodbye.